Sexy Time TV back in the flesh. See? First time trying a churro.
I really outdid myself this time. Look at all the happy faces.
Good morning, everybody. We are at Disneyland. Malachi's first time. We're gonna go get his pin. Ooh, feels good to be back. Hi, little dude. Oh, he's never been here actually. We used to have an annual pass and we used to come here every weekend, like twice a week. You excited for this one? You excited for this one?
Yeah. It's Christmas, dude. We're not in there.
Hopefully he's not scared of this.
Oh, are you gonna be this happy inside, dude?
I hope he doesn't cry. But I think he is.
My good love gave to me a star, a brilliant star.
I really outdid myself this time. Look at all the happy faces. Season's greetings, everyone.
Welcome to Three's Holiday Festival. Round and round she goes. What's your gift?
Ooh, there's something there.
Treat or a treat.
It's a present. Well, look who liked it, huh? This guy was scared at the beginning, but he ended up liking it, so I'm sure we'll be able to get on all the rides now. Right, dude? How's your first time at Disneyland, dude?
You went on 2 rides already, dude.
I know, you need to slow the pace.
Hello, little child. How are you? You're dressed like a little cowboy pup. I know.
Oh, he doesn't want to go by himself? Just do by himself, yeah. I want a picture of him crying. Okay, there. I want a picture. There you go.
It's not me. It's your parents.
Okay, all of us.
To me.
One more,
It's
all
all
of us.
right. That's all right. They'll pay for your therapy. Say yum yum cookies.
Yum cookies.
Macaroons. Yummies in my tummy. It's all right.
I can't wait to see that picture. Look who it is. Hi guys.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and subscribe.
See? Sexy Time TV back in the flesh. See?
We're taking over Disneyland.
Tired of Disneyland. It's time for California Adventure, which means we get to drink. No, but we need to go look for a, it's my first time at Disneyland pin. So hopefully California Adventure has them. Let's see. First time trying a churro. He loves it.
You're gonna get a sugar rush.
Like Dada.
Do you like it? You saw him. He got video of him.
So we went to Paradise Garden Grill. We got some of these watermelon candy drinks. I don't know what it is. Sweet, sour, spicy, tasty. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Were those your ears? Yes? Well, we have come to the end of the night. 13 hours later. My feet hurt, my butt hurts, my back hurts. Little dude is knocked out now. We saw a bit, oh actually we saw the whole thing of World of Color. Yeah, just walked around. We ended up doing what? It's a Small World, Haunted Mansion, Little Mermaid, the train. I think he enjoyed it. He saw Mickey, so he had a great time. Yeah, for those of you guys who do Disneyland with a baby, I give it up to you. It's pretty tough, but I think we'll do it again when he's a little bit older. Maybe get some magic keys, and we'll make this a weekly thing or a monthly thing. But yeah, gonna go to the car, gonna knock out and rest these old bones. So if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment, do whatever you want to do, but whatever you do, do good. I will see you on the next one. Peace.